Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to see about Lambda function in Python function series. Lambda function in Python. What is a Lambda function and why is it used? Lambda function is a simpler and shortened way of defining a function. Now let us discuss the syntax for this function. It starts with the keyword lambda space variable name followed by a colon and expression. Here the variable name is optional and the expression is required. Next, what lambda function returns? Lambda function returns the value of the expression. Now let us discuss it with a small program. Here we are getting a list of integers as input in the input list. And here we have defined the lambda function which multiplies each integer of the input list by 2. And it is stored in mul list. And at last we are going to print the mul list. Let's execute our code. Let 1, 2 and 3 be our input. Here we can able to see that 2, 4 and 6 is printed as output. Hence the integers in the given input is multiplied by 2. Let us consider with another example. Here we are defining a function which returns the value of num multiplied by 2. And we are defining another function in the concept of lambda which implements the same logic and returns the value multiplied by 2, and then we are going to print the output of two functions by giving inputs separately. Let's run our code. Here the output, the first output obtained is by calling the defined function, and the second output obtained is by calling the lambda function. Hope you guys understand this code. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video.